Hey guys, what's happening? Gmail AI versus traditional email, a battle for the future. Gmail AI advantages Smart Compose and Reply. AI suggests text and quick responses. You can find it by clicking the three bars at the top left and then go out to the settings, and you're going to be able to turn on the Smart Reply right here and the Smart Compose, and you're going to be able to work through the context. Next, auto categorization, right? Email sorted into primary by clicking the three bars right here: primary, social, promotions, and updates, right? And you have the priority inbox, which is the primary, right? AI highlights important emails at that in that section, right? And advanced spam filtering. AI blocks phishing and junk mails, right? You're gonna be able to find the junk mails in the spam right here at the section right here at the spam section, so they quickly filter that one out. Okay. As for traditional email and manual sorting, users most organize emails themselves. No AI assistance. Writing and replying take longer, and basic spam filtering, more risk of phishing and clutter. Okay. Do you want to know who is the winner in that battle? Gmail AI revolutionizes efficiency, but traditional email still offers full manual control. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.